So hey guys, welcome again to the channel. In this episode today, we're going to talk about editing in SHOTCUT. And you know what? It's going to be very easy, so stay tuned.
Step 1. Enter the new project name. Step 2. Enter the frame rate. A good rule of thumb is to match whichever footage is used. For example, if you use a video using 24 frames, match back 24 frames, as well as if it's a 1080p video, a 4K video, or even a HD or 720 video. Next, click the playlist tab and drag in your footage for your YouTube video. Also, any music and voiceovers too would be helpful at this time to make the process a lot faster. Right, the playlist will have our clips ready to edit and of course render. Step 4. Right click at the timeline and add audio channel and video channel. Video channel must be installed first and then audio channel. The program will fix it back accordingly. So we get into step 5. So we drag in the first clip onto and begin cutting away, taking out all the fluff in it. Quick note, if you didn't know, a video referred into SHOTCUT is known as a shot. So basically here we have approximately 5 shots in the video. Step 6, let's get ready to cut the tracks and I'll show you how. Drop the playhead and easily hit S on your keyboard. Or you can look for split playback. Also, you could try placing your mouse over the end to drag forward and backward. Step 7. Remember I told you we need an audio track? Here's what we're going to use. Just make sure it's copyright free. I don't want nobody get any copyright infringement from YouTube. Next, launch the peak meter. The peak meter will actually show you how high your sound may be going. I believe playing audio, like a song playing by itself, could be played at -6 decibels or -5 decibels. Background music would be like -30 decibels. For example, if I have somebody talking, I have a background song playing. If it's red, that no. Don't be using that. As we can see, it's blinking. In another episode, I'll show you how to adjust the audio in it. More a deeper dive into doing that. Right, stay with me, we're almost finished. Now we're going to set a render the project. The rest of the settings on top are as follows. My favorite is actually YouTube, straightforward and everything, and the other formats you could see. I'll scroll through and show you guys it. And now we're going to watch the file.
So guys, you see, using SHOTCUT can be very easy. I'll show you what I can do with SHOTCUT. So stay tuned, we're going to have more tutorials that if you're interested in any other type of tutorials. Like I said from previous video, comment down below, tell me what you think about it and what the video like. And most of all, like, subscribe and share. And thanks again for passing through. and see you in the next video.